Hi friends, welcome to my asadreview channel. SiteFlow AI turns simple voice prompts into a fully functional website. Brand new 2024 AI app transforms your ideas, keywords, and voice command prompts into stunning websites in any niche and language in less than 60 seconds, and automatically secures your website against hackers, malware and cyber attacks with our built-in anti-threat cybersecurity protection technology. 2 clicks equals sell these high-in-demand hack-proof websites on Fiverr and Upwork for $500 1000. Create hack-proof AI websites using your voice command prompts and keyword. Transform your idea into world-class sites in any niche and language in 60 seconds. Built-in anti-threat cybersecurity protection technology secures your websites from cyber attacks and malware. Add unlimited custom domains and subdomains without any restrictions. Unlimited website hosting on ultra-blazing fast servers with 100% uptime guarantee. Done for you. 1000 plus jaw-dropping website templates across various categories. Done for you. 250 plus stylish fonts and text styles for better visual experience. Done for you. 500 plus stunning theme templates. One-click content generation. Create and add jaw-dropping AI-generated images, videos, music, and more to your websites. Built-in copywriter. Generate high-converting sales copies, blog posts, and articles for your websites. Built-in 5 million plus iStock library lets you search and discover your desired content. Add mind-blowing animations to your website elements for better engagement. Built-in one-click image and video optimization tool 10x your website loading speed. Collect unlimited leads with mind-blowing forms and pop-ups. AI-driven SEO tools rank your websites on the first page of Google, Yahoo and Bing. Built-in AI Client Finder tech find potential clients that need website and threat protection service and charge any amount. Built-in autoresponders send unlimited emails to your website customers. Built-in automatic device responsiveness. Built-in analytics tool lets you track the website performance. Built-in free SSL certificate integration for secure data transmission. AI-driven live chat support for real-time assistance. Fire all your expensive tools and services. Say goodbye to monthly fees. Commercial license included. Create and sell as many assets as you like to your clients. Newbie friendly, easy to use dashboard. Iron-clad 30-day money-back guarantee. Friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. Thank you for watching my video.